Hey folks, so one of the biggest problems a motorcyclist faces these days is how to organize their garage. Between the motorcycles, the riding gear, the lubricants to maintain the motorcycles, the tools, there's a lot of stuff and not a lot of places to put the stuff. Enter Levrack. Levrak is based out of eastern Nebraska, and they make modular garage storage systems so you can get your stuff better organized. Today we're looking at the Levrak Model 873 storage apparatus. Now, the Levrak system is a modular pallet rack based system. So it's basically pallet racks that you assemble in an erector set style manner. Now, the product ships out of eastern Nebraska via FedEx freight. Comes in a huge crate in a small semi-truck. So make sure when it's getting delivered, you have room for this semi-truck to maneuver, or you are able to assist them because it is a big crate that is delivered. You uncrate the box and the system is super clean, it's super easy to put together. Levrak includes instructions, but realistically, if you're a handyman, you'll probably be able to figure it out pretty well. You're gonna wanna have an extra pair of hands for the job. Some of the items, while they're not exactly that heavy, when you're lifting them and trying to assemble them, you need an extra pair of hands. So get a friend, block out about 4 hours to do the assembly. It's not super labor intensive, but from start to finish, it's gonna take around 4 hours. Now, what I like so much about this Levrak system, number one, is just how easy it is to put together. I also like that you can tweak the system for your needs. Now, the system we have is an 873 model number, and what that is, it's 8 feet in width by 7 feet tall and 3 feet deep. Now, here in my garage, I have a 2-car residential garage, and I don't have a lot of height. So that 7-foot height is a big deal for me, and it just clears my garage door opener perfectly. If you have a little bit more height to play with, you can upgrade to the next step, the 874, which is actually an 8-foot system. They also have a system that gives you an extra foot of depth. So again, I wanted something compact, so I went with the 8-foot system. Again, if you even have less space than me, need something really small, Levrak actually offers a 7-foot system, so 1 foot less in terms of width. That helps you get that Levrak into really tight spots. Now, another cool thing about this Levrak system is the modular shelving. So we have 4 shelves that are hung on these cool like roller bearings from the top. So there's nothing dragging on the ground. It's a very smooth drag when you pull the shelves. Each shelf has an 800-pound capacity. 800 pounds in each hanging shelf. It's insane how much cargo capacity this thing has. All told, the Levrak 873 is capable of holding almost 10,000 pounds. You can store tires, gear bags, anything that's heavy and takes up room and you don't want it to be on the floor, you put it on the pallet shelving system. It's clean, it's easy to look at, it's easy to access. Well done, Levrak. The mesh top liner also gives you the ability to hang stuff. If you want to put some lights, some fluorescent lights or anything else you want to hang from there, you totally can. Levrak also offers a variety of accessories. We actually have the 4-foot computer workstation, which attaches to the side of the Levrak and gives you a cool platform to do work. There's also slant wall accessories where you can install the slant wall and be able to put parts bins, be able to hang your tools, be able to organize anything and everything that a modern man or woman would have in their garage. I also like these cool bike hangers. They actually might make these really affordable bike hangers that plug into the slant wall and allow you to hang your pedal bikes. I mean, Storing pedal bikes in a garage is always a pain. With this clever Levrak pedal bike storage system, it gets them off the floor and gets them hanging where they need to be so you can access them more easily. Which brings us to price. Now, this 873 unit that measures 8 feet in length by 7 feet high, 3 feet in depth, retails for $3,500. It's another $700 for the 4-foot workstation. All in, we're in for $4,200. It ships out of eastern Nebraska via FedEx freight, comes super quick. And if you're looking for a very easy, strong, robust, and most importantly, modular storage solution for your garage or small shop, you can't beat this Levrak stuff. It's easy to assemble, it looks cool, it's built for tough, and it's built right here in America.